today I'm gonna show you how to take this laptop Dell screen off because I broke mine. So you just quickly get a credit card or a knife and you undo all the trim edges. I've already done this, so that's why it looks like that. And then once you've done that, obviously it's going to look very different than mine, but once you've done that, you unscrew these 4 screws here. Here, here, and here. Then you put your screen, oh wait, hold on. And then you get this connector clip and you unclip it very carefully. Make sure you don't damage it. And once you've done that, if you do need a new screen, laptopLCDscreen.co.uk is a very good website that I recommend for you to get new screens from. I've got my new screen just here at the back. Put the laptop down, you see new screen here. So when you get your new screen from laptopLCDscreen.co.uk, when you get your screen, you just get it on here and connect this clip again. Now to make it easier for me and you, I'm going to do this off camera, but I'll come back to you when I got it done. So just so you remember one more time, you got to take this clip here and clip it right there. Then once you've done that, you're going to re-screw your screen, top left and bottom right, like so, on those screens, on those screws, sorry. And then you grab your trim here, or whatever you have, whether you have trim or cover or something, and you just strongly but not too strong, just give it a push back on, and that should be you done. Very quick and simple, but I'll come back to you once I've done my screen. So I've done the laptop, connected the clip back up again, made sure that the screws are all tight, put the trim back on. But before I put the trim back on, make sure you peel off the protective layer, most satisfying bit. And then we're just going to test to see if it works. My new screen, laptop lcdscreen.co.uk. Great company for screens. As you can see, you bend it, there's no damage at all, perfect. Here we go, this is their website. You can go take a look. Like I said, laptop lcdscreen.co.uk. I'll put their company and their website in the top first link of the description. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped.